is Indra, our Indian crested porcupine. Now the first one, Indra, may look really, really big and really, really scary, right? Well, take a look at this. Come on, Indra, let's show them. Come on, let's go. Little distracted. Yes? Okay, watch this. Collapsible quills. Now I bet that these quills can pack a punch. Other than